Okay, well, good luck hosting the Crunchyroll Anime Awards.
Luck? What could possibly go wrong? Now where's this damn Uber? What's happening?
Hello, human. We are here for your banana,
What?
but it's too small.
Oh, come on! Frieren, I've been Isekai'd. Can you get me to the Anime Awards? Yes, but it'll take 14 years. Damn it, Frieren! I don't have 14 years! If you shake me, the spell could misfire! Senshi, Anime Awards, where? Thanks. You smell like an eel. Thanks. Does this take me to the Anime Awards? No. This is a done. Hello? Watch your head. What? Oh my god, I'm in Japan! Sorry? These are the Apothecary Diaries.